Hello, in this new tutorial, we are going to learn how to integrate Release0 with Pabbly. Pabbly is a suite of cloud-based business automation tools, primarily known for its Pabbly Connect platform. In this simple scenario, our agent is collecting leads and using Pabbly to feed those leads into a marketing tool called Moosend. Once we access our Flow agent view, we will proceed and add a couple of input blocks to have our agent collect data from the user. We will ask for the username and save the response into a variable. Then we will ask for the user email and also save the value into a variable called email. Next, we will add a text box to display the information collected. Next, we will add the Pabbly integration block. Once added, we can proceed to the Pabbly dashboard and create our workflow. Now we can search for Release0 trigger and add it to our workflow. The trigger event is called Pabbly block triggered. This will listen for events arriving from our Release0 agent and start the workflow. Now we can copy our webhook URL. We will paste this URL into our Pabbly block in our agent flow. Once added, the block will show that it is correctly configured. Now we can set up our Pabbly action. In this case, it will be sending the data into Moosend. Under the available options, we will choose Add New Subscriber and click Connect. This will show the available mailing lists, and we just need to map our data, in this case the user's name and email address. Once we have our data mapped, we can test the connection and see the test data populated. Now we can delete the test data and test the agent flow. After submitting the agent data, we can refresh our contact list in Moosend and see how the new values are populated automatically. Now, every time a user contacts our agent, we will feed our contact list on Moosend using our Pabbly integration.